Use the net. Yep, we got nets this time. It's round. Oh crap, let me close the break room.
Randy, stand right here. Because he goes right like that every time.
There he goes, there he goes. Ah. Channel your inner lacrosse bro.
Not sure if I have one.
There you go, there you go. Oh! Yeah! Ah!
Cody knocked him out because he hit the ceiling.
Oh! No. He's going this way. Where'd he go? Oh, he's under here! He's under here! I think he went this way. Yep, there he is.
Where is he?
He's under here.
Oh, there he is. Where'd he go? I think he's hiding behind it. Oh, there he is. He's on this side. Oh.
Ah! Ooh!
He's in the window.
Get him! Get him!
Right up on him. Put your net right in front of him. Right at him, man.
Yeah!
We're getting tired now. I gotta get.
Whoop, whoop.
Oh, he's underneath here.
Oh, are you kidding me? There he goes. He's under this one now. He's under that one.
He's under this one.
Yep.
Come out.
Now he's under this one.
Oh, Just another casual day at the newspaper office.
You can get it trapped in that break room.
Now close the door.
What, is he in there now?
He's in the break room, yeah.
What, Breeze?
Close the door.
So.
Somebody ties definitely lost See what Kate's missing.
Clap. Clap for it, like Tinkerbell. Man, we had him in the net and he got out.
Yeah.
Just have to spin the net.
Well, it's
How
like
do you
you
fly
can,
through?
yeah, it can squeeze through the holes in this one.
Maybe if you like tighten it up on him.
Y'all need to like get it and then like
Yeah,
twist
just
it so it closes.
Yep.